In a large section of a statistics class, the points for the final exam are normally distributed with a mean of 69, standard deviation of 9. The grades are assigned such that the top 10% receive A's, the next 20% receive B's, the middle 40% receive C's, and the next 20% receive D's, and the bottom 10% receive F's. Find the lowest score on the final exam that would qualify for a student for an A, B, and a C, and a D. So what this says here is really referring to this picture. So what we want to do is find this cutoff number here, this A cutoff number, so that 10% of the curve is to the right of it. So we'll open up StatCrunch, and we will go to Stat Calculator Normal. And again, let's see, the mean is a 69. Standard deviation is 9. And I want to find the cutoff number. This is the cutoff number here, so that this is the probability, so that 10% of the curve is to the right over here. So you can see how the red shaded area corresponds to the green shaded area. So this cutoff number right here is going to be 80.5. And if we look over here, we round that up to 81. So let's just do a couple of more. So to get the B cutoff right here, the area to the right is 20 plus 10. That's the total area to the right. So that's the brown and the green together. So the area that's greater than, the area to the right is going to be 0.3, 30%. And here's 73.7. We round that up to 74. And then one more, we'll do C. So for C, you got this cutoff. That's 40%, 20%, 10%. Add all those up, and you get 70%. So we get 64.28. If we bring that over here, now notice this is where you have to be a little careful. They took 64.2 and rounded it up to 65. The reason being they rounded up was because it says right here, round up to the next whole number or the next integer. So take the answer you get here and round it up to the next whole number to get your answer. And then for the D cutoff, right here is the D cutoff. So 20, 40, 20, 10. That's 90% of the curve is to the right, so 0.9. So the D cutoff, we round that up to 58.